Hi everyone, welcome to the Mama Elephant 11th anniversary release. Welcome to day 9. We have one more day of videos before Mama Elephant announces this year's promo info on the 14th. Make sure to follow them on Instagram for details. The anniversary release will be available on September 15th. Today we are taking a look at Decorate the Tree. Decorate the Tree was illustrated by Ada Zamora, and I love all of her images. I especially love all of the holiday Ada Zamora images, and this one is so cute. My favorite image is the little penguin. I just love the Mama Elephant penguins. This set features little critters that are holding different decorations that you can use to decorate the tree. It even comes with 2 ladders that you can put some of the critters on also. Here's a look at the coordinating dies for Decorate the Tree. And we're going to, of course, start off coloring in the images. I'm using Ohuhu markers today. I will have a list of the markers I used down below in the description box. I decided to mix it up today and use a blue and red Christmas color scheme instead of the red and green that I was using. For the penguin, I'm using B220 and B250. For the light orange color of the fox, I'm using YR220, YR240. For this bunny, I'm using E010 and E030, and for the darker brown, it's E030 and E090. I like all the little seed building elements of this stamp set. I really love the string of lights and the little star and the tree. You can pair up with any stamp set if you wanted to have a Christmas tree. Also the little ladders. I also really like the sentiment that came with the stamp set, rockin' around the Christmas tree. I wanted to use the Sweet Shop Frame Creative Cuts, which is new for this release, again for the card. So I cut out a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card front in like a sky blue color. And I cut out the frame from the Sweet Shop frame in light blue as well. I kind of like this monochromatic look. And then I filled in the little slits with white color. So I had cut out that frame again in white, and I just used the inside pieces, every other one in white, just to give it just a subtle detail. I filled in the middle with the white piece of paper. I'm using the Just For You sentiment from the Make It Merry stamp set. So I wanted to tuck things behind the Christmas tree. And I didn't want to use double-sided foam adhesive, but to lift that up a little bit, I'm going to cut a thin strip of paper that I'm going to glue behind that tree. And I'm using that so I can tuck things behind. And I'm only going to put glue on that thin strip of the tree. And that way I can tuck this ladder behind it. So I'm just kind of playing around with the images, and I just want to use most of them. And so I love this little ladder. You can put, I think, 2 of the critter images really fit nicely on the ladder. So I'm just putting them wherever I think they'll fit nicely. I was hoping that this string of lights would hit the tree, and I think I almost got it to work, but then I pressed down sooner than I should have. So the string of lights doesn't hit the tree, but the penguin is doing its best. So I wanted to use the sentiment rocking around the Christmas tree, and I couldn't make it work on the front, but I did want to stamp it inside of the card because I really like the sentiment. And that is it. I'm calling this card done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day. Stay safe. Happy crafting. And I will see you tomorrow for the last day of intros.